Unlocking new possibilities at work starts with a single step: choosing how to power your AI. Previously, we explored the vision and remarkable benefits that SharePoint agents bring to your daily workflow. Today, let's turn that vision into reality. This is your step-by-step guide to enabling pay-as-you-go billing for SharePoint agents, all without requiring a full Copilot license. Imagine the flexibility and control. AI on your terms, paying only for what you use. Let's get started. First, check the prerequisites. Ensure you have an active Azure subscription in the same tenant as Microsoft 365. You'll need SharePoint or Global Administrator roles, plus owner or contributor access for your Azure subscription and resource group. With these in place, you're set to begin. Step 1. Creating your SharePoint Agents resource group in Azure. Sign in to the Azure portal. Navigate to Resource Groups and select Create. Choose your subscription, name your group, for example, RG_SharePoint Agents, and select your region. Review your settings, and once everything is correct, click Create. Your dedicated resource group is now ready. After reviewing, click Create to finalize your setup. Your dedicated resource group is now ready for SharePoint Agents. Step 2. Set up a SharePoint Agents Users Security Group in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Go to Active Teams and Groups, select Security Groups, and add a new security group. Enter a clear name, like SG SharePoint Agent Users, and if you wish, a description outlining its purpose. Review, then create the group. Enter a clear name and description for your group, then proceed to create it. This group manages who can access and interact with your SharePoint agents. Add your team members. This group manages who can access and interact with your SharePoint agents. Now, on to Step 3, setting up pay-as-you-go billing. Head to the Copilot section in the Admin Center. Under Billing and Usage, add a billing policy. Give it a name, select your pay-as-you-go subscription, the correct resource group, and your region. Read and accept the terms, then proceed. Choose which users the policy will apply to. Your new security group is usually best. Select your security group as the policy's users. This ensures only authorized team members can utilize pay-as-you-go features. Review all details and create your billing policy. You are now set up to manage SharePoint agents with pay-as-you-go flexibility. After the policy is created, connect SharePoint agents to the policy by setting the connection status to Connected and saving your changes. In the Billing and Usage section, set the connection status toggle to Connected for SharePoint agents, then click Save. Your setup is complete. With everything set, use Microsoft Cost Management to track usage, set alerts, and keep your costs under control. With pay-as-you-go for SharePoint agents, you're not just adopting a flexible AI model, you're empowering your team to work smarter and stay in control. Ready to bring your agents to life? Continue to Part 3. For more tips and updates, don't forget to subscribe, like, and check the description below for useful links.